Hi! Okay, so today we're doing an unboxing video. So I got multiple things, and we're going to start with Miniso. I got blind boxes. Hold on, let me just place this. And I got some notebooks, and yes. So first we're going to start with the blind boxes. So I don't know, but I'm obsessed with Hello Kitty, and I'm hoping we get this girl. The thing right there. Okay, we're gonna open it. Let's see what we get. I just ripped that. Okay. I think we're getting this girl. I don't know. But yeah, let's open it. It's a big pile. So let's see if there's a start ending. Okay, there is. Oh my, we did get, it shows you. We got this girl. Okay, so this is my melody. Oh, sorry. So yeah. This is the first one we got. So, yeah, my dog's just right there, guys. Okay. I'm going to start with the Kuromi next. So, let's open this right up. Ooh, wait, there's a little tag thing. I think I got the one that I wanted. So, when me and my mom went to buy these, I was picking which ones I want, and I got the one I wanted. This girl. Yeah! Those star pins! So, yeah. This girl is cute. Oh, wait. There's a... It comes with a little... Oh, that's so cute. Look it. It comes with a little bear that she can hold. That's so cute. Hold on, let's see. Yeah. Oof, got it. Okay. How do I do this? You know what? I'm going to do that later. Yeah, okay. Okay, so we got my melody and this girl and little started. Oh my god. Okay, 2 more left. Sorry. 2. Okay, I'm sorry. So we're gonna do the Cinnamoroll. Or wait, maybe this one. Okay. I'm actually hoping to get the Cinnamoroll. So please, everybody cross their fingers. Cinnamoroll! Where's the open, I think? There it is. Cinnamoroll! 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 I'm literally begging for Cinnamoroll. She's so cute. Actually, if you didn't know, Cinnamoroll may look like a bunny, but she's actually a dog and a boy. Very unique. Okay, there's a little thing, but I'm not going to look at that. Cinnamoroll! No way! I got Pom Pom. Win! Oh, he's cute. Is he holding anything? No. Pom Pom. I don't know if I'm saying these names right, so if I'm not, comment down below. So, next we have Cinnamoroll. Okay, let's see. Please be the star one, please. Please be star, please. Please be the star one. Hello Kitty gods, please make it the star one. Star. Don't tell me this is a rare one. Wait, is that one even on this? Okay, it is. Well, that's cute. Okay. It's oh, that's cute. That's cute. I can't. That's cute. Oh, okay. Yeah. Okay. Let's start. Oh my God. She's a slay queen. Yes. If you're wondering where her body is, it goes on this cupcake, I think. Let's set this up. Where's the thing? Okay, there we go. This is hard to open. There, my scissors. Beautiful. I don't know what my lid is for my scissors though. Ooh, okay. Oh, we have two little cupcakes. So that's cute. Yes, everybody here is a slay queen. I think this is, oh, that's cute. Okay, that's cute. We're going to put Cinnamoroll to the side. So yeah, we're done with the blind boxes. So I'm gonna grab all of them. I was gonna get 6 more, but I had to put them back because they were too expensive. I know, sad. Also, the Cinnamoroll came with this keychain that I love. So yeah, I'm gonna put that with her. Now we're exploring these. Okay, so I got a My Melody. Oh, and a Cinnamoroll. Okay, I'm gonna open Cinnamoroll first. So at the front, you see that. I mean My Melody first. Oh, this is cute. It's just like a cute little diary thing. So yeah, we're gonna be more on these later. So yes, we'll put that aside. Okay, hopefully that doesn't trigger my big. Okay, this, if you're wondering where we got it from Miniso Life. So yeah, go ahead, check down below. Okay, now it's time for Showcase. Okay, Miniso and Showcase are one of my favorite stores. Okay, we got some candy. Everybody loves candy, I'm for sure. We hope so. We got some slime. And we got a blind box. Yes, and after we do this, that would be the end. So, yes. And then, yeah. Okay, so let's start. Let's do with the candy first. Okay, this candy. I have more Hello Kitty candy. It's up on my bed above me. Yeah, I have a floating bed. Okay, this is the wrap. That's fine. I'm gonna cut it because I'm scared. Okay. Wait, there's 2 more in there. Yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna throw this away. So let's try it. This is what it looks like here. I don't know if you can see, but it's literally a Hello Kitty hamburger. That's good. It's like a strawberry mint. That's yummy. I got it from Showcase. Huh. And then there's this mystery candy. There's tape. Oh, my scissors. My handy dandy scissors. Also, please subscribe or leave a like. That would be amazing. How do I open this? That was a shocking surprise. Well, guys, yeah, I have a little chartboard there. So yeah, stack it there. Here it Yeah, sorry if I'm being too loud or cringe. Okay. Let's try the red and the white. You know, you hear what I'm saying? So yeah. It's like a cherry. It tastes yum. I don't know how to describe the white one. So yeah, these are my 2 Hello Kitty candies I got. Now time for the slime. The blueberry dough. So yeah, it smells amazing. And look at there's a little blueberry thing in there. Okay, let's take this beauty out. It's like a cloud slime. Oh, that's so nice. Oh, wait, that's actually nice. Oh, yeah, my dog's right there. Don't know if you can see him. So, yeah, it's just like a... I also have another slime that's a cloud slime. It's called puffed pineapple. Maybe next video we can do some more on that. Probably 2 more I'll do in my next video. Yeah, but yeah. Like, bruh, this is so satisfying. So, yeah. Oh, yeah. So, yeah. I'm going to rate this for the feeling 10. It's a 10 out of 10. I love this thing. Okay. There's already dirt in it. Are you serious? Yeah, maybe next time we can do one with the puffed pineapple. Yeah, I'm so excited. Okay. Oh, so satisfying. Okay, let's put that back. Yeah, this is the case. Oh my, that might be the coolest slime I ever got. I also have these horrible slimes. They're like so sticky, so stretchy. Ugh. No, I hate them. So if you ever want those, I'm doing a garage sale this summer. So yeah, the blind box. I need Cinnamoroll. Please give me Cinnamoroll. Cinnamoroll. Cross. It's, yeah. I got Tuxedo Sam. He's so cute. There we go. How do I get him out? And here he is. I don't know if you can see him right, but yeah, here. And yeah, I'm gonna actually maybe sort this out, but bye. Wait, hold on. I gotta show you something. I got this Kuromi hat. Yeah. Okay. My video is over, so see ya.